Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today I'm going to install the WinDoor States 410 fixed window. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here's the WinDoor States 410 fixed window with fastener covers. I'm now ready to unpackage the product safely. I'm going to set the fastener covers off to the side for later. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the right size level: cordless impact screw gun, glass cup, razor knife, tape measure, rubber mallet, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the window and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to install this window into my masonry opening.